Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a lingerie subscription box to show you and it's Empress Mummy and this is what it looks like. Gorgeous little box. So as always, if you're new to Empress Mummy, I will give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it, but if you've seen it all before and you're just curious and seeing what I received in this month's box, then I'll add a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flick forward. Empress Mummy is a luxurious and playful lingerie subscription box. It's based in the UK but they ship worldwide. There's 3 different subscription boxes which you can choose from, and you can opt for a monthly subscription or a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription. If you opt for a monthly subscription, you can cancel any time. Plus you can have one-off boxes as well. So the first subscription box you can opt for is called the House of Frillies, and inside you will find one pair of knickers, and they could be briefs, thongs and lacy knickers. You don't know what you're getting, but as with all the subscription boxes, you will have a little card in each box telling you about their refund and exchange policy, which I think is amazing. So if you receive a box and there's an item that doesn't fit you or you don't like for whatever reason, you can get in touch with them and you can request a refund or an exchange. So I think because essentially these boxes, as I go along, they get a little bit higher in price, you've got that guarantee, which I really like. So the cost of the House of Frillies box is £14.95 a month. Next we got the Queen box, which is what I've got, and inside you'll either get a set, so you'll either get a matching bra and knicker set, or I've had bodysuits before, or you could have negligees and kimonos and things like that as well. So that box will cost you £39.95. And then lastly we've got the Empress box. Now the Empress box is quite pricey, but you do get a lot of items inside. The box costs £119.95, and inside you will get a matching set of underwear, so either a bra and knicker set or a bodysuit, and you'll also get like negligees, kimonos, you get jewellery, plus you'll get some playful little toys like nipple tassels and things like that in there as well. So as far as sizing goes, it starts from extra small, which is a UK size 4 to 6, through to an extra large, which is a UK size 16 to 18. Now I opt for a extra large, which is a 14 to 16. I'm a size 16, sometimes an 18, sometimes a 14, but generally for my underwear I tend to opt for like size 16 type underwears, and I find that all the items I've received so far in these boxes, the extra large, which is the 14 to 16, is fine, it fits me fine. Now Empress Mummy also have a shop online and they sell some of these products that you will find in the boxes. If I can find the item that I've got in this box, I'll pop it down underneath in the description, so underneath this video, so you show more, click that, that'll bring up description, and all details and everything related to this box I will link down below. But yeah, if I can find it I will pop it down there, so if you want a little bit more extra information about it. But they say that you will save at least 50% off retail value by opting for a subscription box. So yeah, so I think that's it as far as information goes. If I've missed anything out, I'll just pop it down below, but I'll also try and find a code for you as well, because when I first subscribed to Empress Mummy I had a 40% off code, which is brilliant, and I think they did it last month as well. So if I can find that, I'll pop it down below. This actual box is gifted to me, it's sent as PR. They've started sending me boxes monthly or every other month, just so I can show you and tell you about it on my channel. So yeah, so on to me showing you what I received. I've had a sneak peek, I couldn't resist. It is gorgeous. So this is the outer packaging there, and then you got a little leaflet here, and that tells you all about the exchange and refund policy, and it tells you about refer a friend and claim some discounts as well on the back there. So the theme for this month is Feline Fatale, and what's it say here? Empress Mummy presents Feline Fatale, and it says this sleek yet sensuous piece will be your all-day partner in crime. Turn heads and create a spellbinding atmosphere without even whispering a single word. Drape your curves in it while you lounge and relax at home, away from the hustle and bustle of the world, and when it's time to show up, wear it with a pair of high-waisted trousers or flowy skirts, all geared up to conquer the concrete jungle. That is your very own catwalk. Catitude is everything after all, and it's got kitten kisses. So that's the little information leaflet there, and this is the item. It is stunning. It is so pretty. Not the sort of thing I would wear daily. You'll see now. Oh my gosh. Hopefully you will see. If I hold it up there, you'll have an idea. Now, if I can find a picture of a model wearing it or something, I'll pop it on the screen, because I don't do try-on underwear on my channel. But it's a bodysuit. It's a one-piece bodysuit. It's all mesh except for the back, which is why you can't see through it. But it's got this gorgeous embroidery detail to cover up your boobies, and that goes all the way down to the bottom there. The same there. So it's high neck and it's short sleeves, and then on the back then got a little button there, and then you've got satin with lots of little buttons all going down the back there until the waist as well. It is so pretty, so pretty. I don't know how I would wear that. In all honesty, I think instantly, I think it would look stunning with a pair of, as they said in the leaflet, high-waisted trousers and maybe like a little blazer or something on top. It doesn't cover up your boob that well, so I might be inclined to wear maybe a nude sort of like bra. I don't know how much I could get away with doing that, or covering my nipples with one of those pasties, one of those flower pasty things. Yeah, I don't know. I'll have to try it and I'll have to see, but it is gorgeous. I do love it. I do love it. So I can't wait to see what it looks like. I haven't tried it on or anything yet. So yeah, so that's the item that I received in October's Empress Mimi box. So as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this box? Do you subscribe to Empress Mimi? If you do, which box do you get? Now the boxes do range in price, and there's obviously differences in sizes and things like that. I personally think they need to up their sizing. I think if they up their sizing a little bit more, then they would just appeal more to a wider audience. But besides that, I think it's a really lovely box. It is something a bit different, something a bit sexy and playful and really feminine, and yeah, I'm enjoying receiving it. So thank you to Empress Mimi for sending it to me. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.